Hello and welcome to another English grammar lesson on this channel. Our today's topic is on, in, and at. These are prepositions of place. They can also be used as prepositions of time, but this lesson is focused on using them as prepositions of place. Let us find out exactly when to use them in sentences. Okay? Use on when you are referring to something being on a surface. A surface. So on is used when the noun or the object involved has a surface that something can be placed. Okay? Use in when you are referring to something being inside. Something being inside. It can be inside an enclosed or large area. Okay, so if something can be placed inside, use in. Use at when you are referring to something being at a specific place or point. Specific or exact place or point. Use at. Okay, now let us answer these questions with on, in, and at. As we do that, you will get clearer understanding, okay? 1. The cat is blank the box. The box is the keyword here, and the cat can stay inside. So if we are referring to the cat being inside the box, then in is the correct preposition. The cat is in the box. So it is inside. 2. My phone is blank the table. The table has a surface. So for a surface, use on. My phone is on the table. 3. She is waiting blank the bus stop. Bus stop is a specific place or exact place that she can be waiting. So this is exact place that she is waiting. So for exact place, use at. She is waiting at the bus stop. 4. The keys are blank my bag. Bag is an object that key can be inside. Key can be inside the bag, so in is the correct word. The keys are in my bag. 5. There is a clock blank the wall. Wall has a surface. It has a surface that clock can be placed. So for surface, use on. There is a clock on the wall. 6. He is blank the classroom right now. Classroom is an enclosed area where someone can stay. An enclosed area. So for enclosed area, use in. He is in the classroom right now. 7. We met blank the airport. Airport is a specific place where we can meet. A specific or exact place. So for exact place, use at. We met at the airport. 8. The books are blank the shelf. Shelf has a surface. So for something that has a surface, use on. The books are on the shelf. 9. She lives blank Lagos. Lagos is a place, a large area. Okay? For large area where someone can stay, use in. She lives in Lagos. 10. The children are playing blank the park. This is a place, a large place where children can play. So this is a large area. So for large area, use in. The children are playing in the park. 11. There is a stain blank your shirt. Shirt has a surface where stain can be. So for a surface, use on. There is a stain on your shirt. 12. I left my bag blank home. Home is a specific place where my bag can be. So for specific place, use at. I left my bag at home. 13. The picture is blank the door. Door is a surface. Door has a surface where picture can stay. So for a surface, use on. The picture is on the door. 14. He is sitting blank the chair. Chair is an object that has a surface. It has a surface where someone can sit. So for a surface, use on. He is sitting on the chair. Lastly, they are blank the restaurant. What do you think about this sentence? Let me know your answer in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe for more.